Maker's Cabinet presents Stria, an elegant folding ruler designed to last a lifetime. Use Stria to draw seamless straight lines in a smaller footprint. It includes an expertly engineered folding mechanism which has built-in tactile feedback, helping you to find the most important angles for your work. Use the thumb screw to set the resistance of the dovetail joint and maintain Stria for a lifetime of use. Stria is available in both polished brass and ground steel. Stria's markings are edge to edge in both millimeters and inches, with precision markings of 0.5 millimeters before the 5 centimeter mark.
We designed Stria to be a beautifully engineered folding ruler with a one-of-a-kind adjustable dovetail hinge. Stria allows you to draw and measure lines up to 30 centimeters in length, whilst folding down to fit in your pocket. Over the past few months, we've been working super hard to bring Stria to the stage of final prototype. We are very proud of the result and are confident in our capacity to produce Stria with the highest care and quality.
Back for our third Kickstarter, the Maker's Cabinet team is more excited than ever to bring you yet another wonderfully engineered and passionately crafted design. With your support, we can finish our final tweaks to ensure Stria is ready to be cherished and used for many lifetimes.
Your pledges allow us to continue designing and developing our beautiful drawing and writing tools. Today we need your support in bringing Stria to life. So back us today on Kickstarter to be sure to receive one of the very first Strias and become part of the Maker's Cabinet community for life.